I just wanted to take a moment to wish our Flying Fijians luck as they prepare to take on Tonga this afternoon in Eden Park. To the boys, this is your final match ahead of the Rugby World Cup. This is your last and best chance to test yourselves ahead of your competition on the rugby's biggest stage in Japan next month. We've watched you come together as a team these past few months, and we've seen you deliver more than a few flashes of brilliant play. We all know that at your best, you're absolutely unstoppable. Your country stands behind you all the way, today and all the way through the World Cup later in the year. Play hard, work together, and we know you'll make us proud. Toso viti toso.